Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Gantt chart project management timeline in Google Sheets. So here I've already have a blank sheets file, and if you want to if you have a project and uh, you want it to run smoother, you can use this Gantt chart as the project management timeline. And I'm going to show you how to make one. So here in Google Sheets, you can use the templates, and it is so easy to make. You can just click on File and then click on New, and here choose from Template Gallery. Click on that, and then you'll see Gantt chart in here. But if you can't find it, you can just scroll down, and you'll find the project management section, and you'll find these option. You can use Gantt chart, project timeline, project tracking, and even marketing timeline. So in this case, I'm using the Gantt chart by Smartsheets. Just click on the template in here. So the Gantt chart will be opened like this, and I want to move it into the blank file that I've made before. So just click on the tab sheet, right click on the tab sheet and click on copy to, and choose existing spreadsheets. And in here, okay, I'm going to move it to Gantt chart tutorial. Just click on select. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here is the Gantt chart, and in here you can just make some adjustment. You can change the project title to your own project, and the project manager, company name, date, and also each of this item you can change it as you like with your own project. And in here, this is the timeline, so you can just coloring it, but you have to do it manually. So for example, you want to reset it first and you want to add your own color, just click on fill color and click on reset. And here you can just, for example, fill in the color to mark the progress right here. But if you don't want to color it one by one, you can do the conditional formatting or the data validations. Okay, so I think that's basically it. That is how you can make Gantt chart templates or Gantt chart project management timeline. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.